Dear students, welcome back to all in the online session. Students, in today's class we are going to accelerate our first chapter from the Snapshots book, and its name is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Right? Its name is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, and this story is being written by William Saroyan. Right? What is the basic theme from where it is taken, we must know before going in the deepest of the chapter or in explanation. Students, this story is being taken from the collection of My Name is Aram. Once again, listen carefully. This story is taken from the collection My Name is Aram, which was being published in 1940. Okay, what is the basic theme of this story? I have mentioned here for your further information. Right? In this story, William Saroyan calls into a question the nature and the value of conventional morality and even of reality itself. It means there is conflict, there is strife between morality and reality. I have mentioned here conventional morality, परंपरागत नैतिकता और वास्तविकता के बीच में जो द्वंद्व देखने को मिलता है, इस चीज़ को विलियम सरोयान ने इस स्टोरी में पेन डाउन करने की कोशिश किया है। इन दिस स्टोरी वी विल अवेयर टू बॉयज नेम्ड अरम एंड मुराद. ओके, सेकेंड थिंग, वॉट एवर वी विल फाइंड इन द story, it is mentioned here the relationship between two brothers. Right? Two brothers, it means Aram and Murad. Sensitivity to the environment, it means how they were aware to their environment, to their locality. Next thing, next points may be personal decision. It means rising above to take their mature decision. These are the basic information regarding the chapters, and day by day we will add some more information before explaining the chapters. Right? So let's start. In the beginning of the story, it is mentioned in your book that this story is about two Armenian boys. Two Armenian boys are Aram and Murad. Next thing, who belong to a tribe. Tribe means a community whose language, culture and civilization are very same, is considered as tribe, whose hallmarks are trust and honesty. It means they were being identified, recognized by their honesty, trust, belief, as well as hard work. Okay, in this story there are some more characters. First one, Aram, who is 9 years old. Second thing, Murad, who is 13 years old and considered as mad, freaky, crazy boy. Uncle Khusrov, there is also a character, Uncle Khusrov, who is considered as mad person and having powerful head, and he is also fond of mustache. John Barrow, John Barrow is a farmer in this story and narrator's mother. Entire episode of the story is being narrated by Aram. Entire episode of the story is being narrated by, explained by, detailed by Aram. Right? Now let's start. One day back there in the good old days when I was 9 and the world was full of every imaginable kind of magnificence, and life was still a delightful and mysterious dream, my cousin Murad, who was considered crazy by everybody who knew him except me, came to my house at 4 in the morning and woke me up tapping on the window of my room. It means one day when Aram was 9 years old, he was sleeping. An entire episode of the day was full of brilliance, full of majesty, full of pleasant. And that time, suddenly, my cousin Murad, it means cousin of Aram, came, and cousin Murad was considered there as crazy person, moody person, mad person by each and everyone except of me. Me means Aram, who tried to woke me up by knocking on my window. To my house at 4 in the morning and woke me up tapping on the window of my room. It means in early morning at 4 a.m. Murad came to my house and tried to wake me up by tapping on the window. Aram, he said, he called, he added me. Me means Aram. I jumped out of bed and looked out of the window. After listening to Murad, I jumped up out of the bed, out of the cot, and looked out of the window and projected out of the window. Tried to peep out of the window. I could not believe what I saw. I means Aram. I could not believe what I saw. Outside of the window, whatever is being presented there, it was unbelievable. I could not believe still. There was reason behind this. Why Aram was unable to believe on the scene. It wasn't morning yet, but it was summer, and with daybreak not many minutes around the corner of the world, it was light enough for me to know I wasn't dreaming. It means it was the season of summer. It was the time of beginning of the day. It means the rays of the sun was about to come. But it was summer, and with daybreak, not many minutes around the corner of the world, it was light enough for me to know I wasn't dreaming. It means there was sufficient light to identify, to recognize each and everything. After seeing such scenario, I believed in myself that I was not dreaming. It means I was not in a dream. It was real. And reality was given in another line. My cousin Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse. My cousin named Murad, who was being considered crazy person, crazy boy, mad boy, passionate boy, but except of me. सिर्फ मैं उसे मूडी नहीं समझता था. मैं मतलब अरम. सिर्फ मैं उसे मूडी नहीं समझता था, फरेकी नहीं समझता था, पैशनेट नहीं समझता था, मेरे सिवाय बाकी सभी लोग उसे मूडी पर्सन समझते थे, क्रेजी पर्सन समझते थे। एंड हु वॉज सिटिंग ऑन अ ब्यूटीफुल वाइट हॉर्स, इट मीन्स ही वॉज बींग सिटेड ऑन अ वेरी अट्रैक्टिव white colored horse. Then I stuck my head out of the window and rubbed my eyes. I means Aram. I rubbed my eyes and tried to once again watch out of the window. Yes, he said in Armenian, it is a horse, you are not dreaming. Make it quick if you want to ride. It means Murad added to me, conveyed to me, you are not in the dream, you are not in the fashion, you are not in the mysterious, you are not in the sacred. Whatever you are seeing out of the window, it is actual, it is real. Know that I am on the horse. इस बात को जानो कि मैं घोड़े पर बैठा हुआ हूँ, तुम स्वप्न में नहीं हो, तुम कल्पनाओं में नहीं हो। You are not dreaming, make it quick if you want to ride. If you are desired, if you wish to ride on the horse, so come fast. If you are interested to ride on the horse, so come fast here. अगर तुम घुड़सवारी करना चाहते हो तो जल्दी से नीचे उतर करके आओ। I hope all these statements are very clear to everybody. Once again try to listen. There was a boy whose name was Aram, who was sleeping and dreaming a lot, who was passing his time in brilliance, in majesty, in pleasant as well as in happiness mode. Suddenly Murad, it means Aram's cousin, came there to wake him up by knocking his window. After listening the knocking sound, after listening the sound, he shocked, who is calling to me? Then tried to look outside of the window, peeped outside of the window and viewed there is Murad sitting on the beautiful white horse. But it was unbelievable for Aram. He could not believe that Murad can sit on the horse, because we means Aram and Murad as well as Gargolonian family are unable to purchase or unable to buy horse, and we cannot steal it from anywhere, because it is considered as our morality. Next thing, when Aram tried to watch out of the window, Murad conveyed him, don't waste your time, you are not dreaming, you are seeing everything real, and if you are interested, if you have keen desire to ride on the horse, so come fast. Right? Now come to the next line. I knew my cousin Murad enjoyed being alive more than anybody else who had ever fallen into the world by mistake. But this was more than even I could believe. I knew my cousin Murad. It means it was well known that Murad was always busy to enjoy his life, but he can't steal it from anywhere, and he cannot do such misbehave. It means he cannot steal it from anywhere, but this was more than even I could believe. But each and everything was beyond my trust, beyond my belief. Next thing, in the first place, my earliest memories had been memorized of horses, and my first longing had been longing to ride. It means my memories occurred there. I recalled my memories. What was desire in my sense? What were the wishes in my sense? And there was strife, there was conflict in my mind. My means Aram. And conflict was longing for riding. Longing for riding. But how I can ride on the horse? If it is being stolen, then what will happen? If I ride on the stolen horse, then what will happen? So that how I can fulfill my desire. But there was desire to complete. This was the wonderful part. It was the very shocking part. It was unbelievable part. We can say I was very puzzled. I means Aram. In the second place, we were poor. Second thing, we were extremely poor. We are unable to purchase anything. So how we can purchase, how we can buy a horse? So that he was very puzzled. This was the part that would not permit me to believe what I saw. This was the part, this was the matter, so that he was unable to believe, he was unable to trust on the presented horse, on which Murad was sitting. We were poor. We means Gregorian family. It means basically Aram and Murad. We were poor. We had no money. It means they had no wealth. Our whole tribe was poverty stricken. Every branch of the Gregorian family was living in the most amazing and comical poverty in the world. It means in the entire world our family was surviving the life in very poor condition. We were being considered extremely poor. We had no money. It means we had nothing, but we had desire, we had proud, we had respect. Next thing, nobody could understand where we ever got money enough to keep us with food in our bellies. No one can believe, no one can understand from where we try to get food, how we try to get food for our bellies, for our stomach. Not even the old men of the family, not even the old members of the family, old men of the family. Most important of all, though we were famous for our honesty, very significant point was that, very prominent point was that, it is given, we were famous, we were renowned for our honesty. We had been famous for our honesty for something, we were renowned for our honesty for something like 11 centuries, approximately from 11 centuries we were very renowned only for our honesty. Even when we had been the wealthiest family in what we like to think was the world. It means even we were wealthiest, we can manage each and everything, yet we were poor. We were proud first. First thing, we were proud. We were surviving our life in respect, in regard. Honest next. First thing is proud, then honest. And after that, we believed in right and wrong. Then after, we try to think about right and wrong, good and bad. None of us would take advantage of anybody's in the world. Up to now, the Gregorian family did not take benefit, did not take advantage from anyone. Gregorian family अभी तक किसी से फ़ायदा नहीं ली है. Let alone steal. The matter of stealing is far and far away. चोरी की तो बात ही नहीं है, चोरी करने की तो बात ही छोड़ दीजिए. Let alone steal. Right? I hope all of you understood all these statements as well as paragraph very well. If there is any difficulties, doubt or problem, feel easy to share your problem in WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.